Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to earn $5 of Bitcoin every day for free with Ember fund mining. If you're still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. Ember Fund is a platform that helps people who want to invest in cryptocurrency to make money. Their main goal is to change the kinds of investments people can use, which is why they came up with the idea of investing in cryptocurrencies. The company says it is made up of hackers, people who work on products, and technologists who want to help people make money. In the About Us section, they say they love what they do and are deeply committed to making a great company that helps people around the world. Ember Fund wants to be the easiest way to invest in DeFi, NFTs, and wider crypto space as a whole. Each of Ember's portfolios is non-custodial and future-proof, able to support new layers of yield from developing DeFi protocols. You can make money as the value of the assets in your portfolio goes up. You can also make more money by lending on DeFi protocols, which has built-in yield farming. Ember also has a daily rewards program that lets you learn about crypto and earn Bitcoin. It also gives its customers a wide range of services and products to invest in, and these things are: 1. The Quants. This product is like a crypto mutual fund in that it divides your money into a mix of Bitcoin and stablecoins based on a formula. Machine learning and regression analysis are said to be used by the fund to figure out the right ratio. The company has achieved a high all-time performance of 863% since the company started. 2. DeFi Index. This fund lets you invest in another cryptocurrency mutual fund with 17 altcoins. This fund has the most of Uniswap, Aave, and MakerDAO. Uniswap has a 25.1% share, Aave has 17.8%, and MakerDAO has 10.3%. 3. The Yield. This fund is based on holdings of cryptocurrencies that give investors a return over time. The most important holdings are Yen USDC and Yen DAIV2, USD Coin, and USDC. 4. Big 3 Weighted. This fund follows the 3 biggest cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. At the moment, Bitcoin is 56%, Ethereum 37.7%, and Litecoin 6.4% make up the fund's weight. Mining. How the Bitcoin mining program works. Turn on your miner to start making Bitcoin for the next 24 hours. After 24 hours, your miner will turn off and you won't earn any more Bitcoin. You will need to go back into the app and turn on your miner to keep making money. Everyone mines at a rate of 10 satoshis per hour. They will also add ways to increase your mining speed so you can earn more Bitcoin. As more miners join, the base mining rate will go down. So if you are an early adopter, lock in a high mining rate now. Anyone with the Ember app can start mining right away by tapping the pickaxe button on the home, wallet, and settings pages. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video, but you must take action to get results. And the secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. So make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Just click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't also forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in the next video.